Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. Canada is celebrated globally for its multiculturalism and welcoming approach to immigrants. With a growing population fueled largely by immigration, cities across the country have been transformed into hubs of cultural and economic vibrancy. However, rapid urbanization and immigration can also present challenges, such as infrastructure strain, housing shortages, and integration hurdles. This essay explores the experiences of 10 Canadian cities significantly impacted by immigration, analyzing causes, challenges, and proposing solutions to create resilient and inclusive urban environments. 1. Toronto, Ontario challenges. 1. Housing affordability crisis. A high influx of immigrants contributes to housing demand, pushing prices beyond the reach of many. 2. Overburdened infrastructure. Public transit and healthcare systems struggle to keep up. Causes. 1. Concentration of immigrants in the Greater Toronto Area, GTA, seeking economic opportunities. 2. Limited housing supply due to restrictive zoning laws. Solutions. 1. Implement zoning reforms to allow for higher density housing. 2. Expand public transit and invest in infrastructure projects. 2. Vancouver, British Columbia challenges. 1. Housing costs among the highest in Canada. 2. Cultural integration issues in affluent areas. Causes. 1. Real estate investment by wealthy immigrants drives up prices. 2. Uneven social integration in some neighborhoods. Solutions. 1. Taxation on speculative foreign real estate investments. 2. Foster community building programs to promote cultural exchange. 3. Montreal, Quebec challenges. 1. Linguistic integration issues, with immigrants struggling to learn French. 2. Underemployment of skilled immigrants. Causes. 1. Language laws requiring French proficiency. 2. A mismatch between immigrant qualifications and job market needs. Solutions. 1. Enhance language training programs. 2. Create mentorship opportunities linking immigrants with employers. 4. Calgary, Alberta challenges. 1. Rising cost of living due to population growth. 2. Uneven distribution of services for immigrant communities. Causes. 1. Economic migration driven by Calgary's oil and gas industry. Solutions. 1. Decentralize immigrant settlement programs to suburban and rural areas. 2. Promote economic diversification to reduce dependence on one sector. 5. Edmonton, Alberta challenges. 1. High concentration of immigrants in low-income neighborhoods. 2. Education systems under strain in immigrant-dense areas. Causes. 1. Limited affordable housing in other parts of the city. Solutions. 1. Encourage mixed-income housing developments. 2. Increase funding for schools in immigrant-heavy districts. 6. Winnipeg, Manitoba challenges. 1. Integration of refugees, particularly those arriving from war-torn regions. 2. Rising gang activity in marginalized areas. Causes. 1. Economic disparities and lack of social support systems for vulnerable groups. Solutions. 1. Strengthen refugee settlement programs. 2. Invest in community policing and youth engagement initiatives. 7. Ottawa, Ontario challenges. 1. Balancing the needs of a diverse population in the nation's capital. 2. Over-reliance on government sector jobs. Causes. 1. Centralized immigrant settlement in certain neighborhoods. Solutions. 1. Foster private sector growth to diversify employment opportunities. 2. Ensure equitable distribution of public services. 8. Halifax, Nova Scotia challenges. 1. Retaining immigrants after initial settlement. 2. Limited job opportunities in certain sectors. Causes. 1. Smaller urban economy and lack of large-scale industries. Solutions. 1. Promote industries like IT and green energy to attract and retain talent. 2. Enhance regional transportation networks. 9. Saskatoon, Saskatchewan challenges. 1. Limited access to healthcare and education in immigrant-heavy areas. 2. Social tensions in less diverse neighborhoods. Causes. 1. Rapid demographic changes without matching infrastructure growth. Solutions. 1. Increase provincial funding for immigrant support services. 2. Foster community dialogues to reduce cultural misunderstandings. 10. Hamilton, Ontario challenges. 1. Industrial decline affecting job prospects for immigrants. 2. Rise in low-income immigrant neighborhoods. Causes. 1. Economic restructuring leading to job losses in manufacturing. Solutions. 1. Reinvest in job training programs for immigrants. 2. Encourage growth in emerging industries like clean tech and healthcare. Conclusion. While immigration can sometimes strain resources in Canadian cities, it also offers immense opportunities for cultural enrichment and economic growth. Addressing these challenges requires collaborative approaches involving government, private sectors, and local communities. By investing in infrastructure, promoting inclusive policies, and fostering economic diversification, Canadian cities can continue to thrive as global centers of multiculturalism. Thanks for watching this video.